Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography, and here I am discussing about the manufacturing industry. Now introduction part of this chapter is done, right? Those are the basic things. Now we need to know about one more basic things so that it will help to understand the rest of the chapters. This video is very important to know about the later part of the chapters. So first things you need to know, we need to set up the industries, right? So industries are divided into two categories, that is agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Those are the industries you need to study. But the main question it will be asked here, that is why those particular industries set up here? What are the locational factors that you need to know? Locational factors for developing or setting up the industries, right? So there, for industry is required input. So the input, sources of inputs, it should be nearby. Very common sense. The sources of inputs, it should be nearby. And then those industry, it can set up there. And then the purpose of industry, it will be there what? These are the economic activities. So you need to make more profit. So more profit it will be there only that time where inputs, it will be minimized, or input materials, it will be obtained with less price, processing cost also it will be less, so you will be able to get good profit. So here we need to discuss here today what are the conditions required for setting up the industries. So first, capital. Obviously we need to purchase machineries, we need to set up the infrastructure. For raw materials you need to purchase, even initial stage you need to pay salary to your workers. So for that, capital is very important. Next one, that is the labor, right? Labor is another important aspect. To run or function the production work, we require manpower. Maybe skill or unskilled, that is secondary, that we will discuss later. But labor is required, right? Next one, that is the raw materials. Any type of industry will make, iron and steel industry, what are the raw materials are there? The raw materials required, that is iron, manganese, coal, those are the raw materials required for setting up those industry, right? So those raw materials availability should be there nearby. Next one, the water. For running any type of industry, you require some amount of water. So the sources of water also should be nearby. Next, market. If you will produce that product, raw materials, everything is there, you produce that product until you will be able to sell it. And where you will sell it? In the market. So nearby market also required, where there will be demand of your product, then only you will be able to gain profit, right? So those are the conditions required, right? So overall we will discuss all those factors under two categories. One, the geographical factors. What are the geographical factors? Raw materials, it means sources of raw materials, the sources of water supply, energy to run the machineries. Next, transport. Good transportation system is required to bring the raw materials to the industry as well as taking the finished product to the market. So good transport communication system is required. Labor, we already discussed. Market, we already discussed. We need to sell that product. And the favorable climatic condition. Although the climatic condition, it will be not same like whatever climatic condition, exact climatic condition it will be required for agricultural activities, but somehow good favorable climatic condition where the people will work there, the workers will not get tired easily. So those type of climatic condition is required for the better growth of the industries. Now let's talk about the non-geographical factors. Capital, money. You require the sources of money, it means the banking facilities nearby, right? Next, the management. To run all those industrial work, you require very skilled management. So the good management system is required for growth of industries. Next one, the government policy, that play also very important role. if the government will make policy for the development of industries, so the industries growth chance it will be much more and it will grow very rapidly. That's why you must have heard about the concept of SEZ, special economic zones, right? Sometimes government will, for encouraging the industry, government will give subsidies or government will make such infrastructure where they will encourage the private sectors to come and set up the industries. Nowadays, that's why you will observe different state government as well as the government of India organize different business summit to attract the foreign investment as well as the big industrialists to come and set up their industries, and they are giving much more facilities also, maybe loan in less interest, land on less rent, maybe very less price they will give it to the organization. So those type of things it will be done. If you understood all those concepts easily, now according to your syllabus, what are the things you need to study about agriculture industry and manufacturing industry, it will be easy for you. So now, what are the things is coming in your upcoming videos that it will become very easy. Why? First of all, in the next video, we will discuss about the agro-based industries, that is the sugar and the cotton industries. And the next videos will discuss about the mineral based industries, that is the iron and steel industries and petrochemical industries along with the electronic industries. So for that you need to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.